I am absolutely exhausted. This has probably been the longest show I ever did. I did it for 4 hours solid. And I am now on my 6th show. And how much have I made on Whatnot? This time I sold 144 items. Let's have a look. So this time I sold, So it's 42 items to done and 142 items were sold. Took me 4 hours to sell it. How much did I make? How much have I made in the last 2 weeks on Whatnot? Wouldn't you like to see? Here it is here. For you. There is £19,849. That's what I've made on the show. That is the total best that I've made on the show so far. £19,849. I've got 14 to get on payout. Payout's pretty quick, but I've not started any payouts whatsoever. And the reason is because I'm kind of showing you guys what I can do with a business that has got £1 million of stock. This is going to be an inspiration for anyone that wants to start on Whatnot. If you want to make this sort of money, I can show you how. This is how it's done. I can even get you the stock. If you get within my inner circle, we can find ways of getting stock to you, and you can do what I've done. The only thing is, for every 19,000 I've worked out roughly, it's about 50% in stock. I am basically doubling my money so far overall. The gold and the silver is the one that's making me the least money, and the fashion is the thing that's making me the most. What comes second is my general goods. That makes about £2,000 a night. So I've worked it out. I've done that amount of shows, and it's worked out that I have made £1,000 sales per hour of every hour that I sit and I sell. 4 hours is exhausting for me. It's not exhausting for, say, a member of staff who wouldn't put the same energy as I did, but I've enjoyed putting the energy into it. And I hope you understand. If you haven't seen this show, come and see. My following is getting bigger every day. I seen it going over to 140 people at its max there, and I'm seeing it get bigger and bigger every day. So let's see how it gets on my gold and silver show, which is coming up on Tuesday. I've got to set up a new set. I'm sold out. I am sold out of fashion today. I sold everything. I sold big bags, and I must have sold about £3,000 of stock in a big bag and sold it for 300 quid. So it's done its work. It's done its work. And I'm really pleased that it's done its work. Selling at wholesale, hey, who cares? I'm liquidating. I am leaving eBay for good. And I'm so pleased to do it. So there it is. This is a journey as I'm doing. I'll wake up tomorrow morning. I'll start packing. I'm too exhausted. I'm going to probably try and lay in bed till about 7 in the morning. And then I'm going to start packing all these 140 packages. It's been a great day. It's been a very profitable time with Whatnot. And I'm grateful to Whatnot for taking me on and helping me through this process. So thank you very much, Whatnot. You have changed my mind about selling online. I'm super excited about selling all my stock with you in auction. And then we'll see how the future runs with you and us together. Good morning, people. It's been a hard night last night. I done a 4-hour stint on live. As you can see, the sales are close to 20,000 quid. I have only done 6 shows. 20 grand for 6 shows is amazing. Now, I've picked off Monday Morning Blues, of course, the labels. Now, the good news is that, well, good news and bad news, eBay have now given me my above standard again. But sadly, I got one item wrong, and I'm going down below on one of my anchors. But remember, I told you I'm cancelling my anchors and I'm leaving, hopefully, the remaining stuff on eBay on a smaller channel. Get rid of it. And if it doesn't get sold in the next few months, that's it, fully gone anyway. But anyway, I'm going to talk about this. Here is my orders again with Whatnot. I have found a way of doing a better order system with them. It's very good. There it is there. That's the orders for Whatnot. And Amazon and eBay. These are, I'll sort out which ones are Amazon, I'll sort out which ones are eBay. There they are there. So there is the Amazon orders. There's about 15 orders, not that many this weekend. 15 orders. And there's eBay. There it is. Once again, eBay is absolutely terrible. Even though I'm above standard, these are the orders. I got 11 orders over the weekend. That is crazy. I am not happy with that. Ultimately, as I keep saying, eBay is absolutely cursed. As far as I'm concerned, they're dead in the water. Whatnot's the only future as far as I'm concerned. I'm going to keep promoting Whatnot because I feel that you guys need to come over and see the bargains. Come and see the bargains. If you guys not seen Whatnot before or been involved in Whatnot, you've got to come and see it. It's amazing. I will show you the orders that I've got and that I processed. Come on, I'll show this. Come on, I'll show you this. These are the orders for today. This is the orders that are going out. There it is. All these. Everything here you see are orders. These are only one night's orders. I'm extremely pleased with what's happening with Whatnot. And I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep telling you about my absolute praise for this channel, this platform. I feel absolutely refreshed. The fact that my stock is now going and I'm making profit, just to see the cynical people that watch this channel. I am making a profit. That is one thing I need to tell you. It's not as big as it is with eBay, but I am selling quick, I am selling fast, and there is no nonsense. There is no nonsense. Plus, you get to call reps and you get to communicate with people of management and whatnot. There is a better system of dealing with problems. I just love it. I love it. I just tell you, guys, if you're sellers on eBay, come on over. This is not the dark side. This is green grass, and it's really green. It is absolutely green. I'm asking anyone, if you want to join the channel, give it a go. You get 100 quid. There's it there. £100 for being a seller. I would highly advise you to come on. Jump on board, people. Anyone that's doing eBay, if you want to refresh it, you don't need to be standing in front of the camera. If you're camera shy, you can use a travelator system where the camera is behind your face and you're looking onto the product and all you have is your arms and you're talking to it. That is one way to gain confidence on it. There are numerous ways of selling or whatnot. You don't actually have to stand in front of the camera. I've decided I'm going to do 4 shows a week now because I'm building my confidence. I'm understanding how to pack. I'm understanding how to pick. I'm just telling you guys, it is a profit maker. You just have to know where to buy the right stuff. So if you want to buy the right stuff, you want to get involved, join my inner circle. It's not hard. You go onto YouTube and you can join it that way. And it brings you to a WhatsApp number where you can join an inner circle of really good entrepreneurs. Join me and let's do some mentoring. I can help you out with where you get your stock from. And you can sell as much as me, as much as you want. That's the way it is. I'm going to get back to work. I have to get back to packing. Remember, I am working this as a staffless business now. This is very, very important to me. I have to run it staffless so I can see how much I can make. I'm doing a diary at the minute of my day-to-day. That's going to be launched at the end of the 12-week program of my Whatnot show. And I'm going to do a big video of a 12-week life of a multimillionaire who has no staff. There it is. It's going to be a good video, I feel. It may be shite, I don't know. Anyway, listen, I love yous and leave yous. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Whatnot is the way forward, people. I'm absolutely telling you, if you want to make some money, this is the place. This is the place. There are customers galore wanting the bargains, and you get to sell the bargains without any hassle. That's the way it is. All I'm telling you is, Whatnot's the place. Thanks a lot.